here with you, and today I'm here for the unboxing of Onedaysaving. I got this just as I became sick and obviously was not filming. And not only was I not filming, but I wasn't coming to the studio at all because it's not at my house anymore. And so I was just, it was a whole thing. The being sick that much, it's been a very, very long time since that has happened to me, and it wasn't nice. Just to say that, it wasn't nice. But now I'm feeling better. I'm still coughing sometimes. I'm stuffed up. My antibiotics are going to be finished in 4 days, so hopefully by then I will be top shape, but I'm still very tired. Sorry. The doctor did say that it's going to take a while for me to be better. So obviously, whenever I talk, I end up coughing a little bit more. So I won't talk too much, but I want to thank Onedaysaving for their understanding of me being not filming the unboxing. It was driving me nuts because I knew I had some goodies and I wanted to play, but obviously I had no energy whatsoever anyway to do anything. So it would have been useless for me to do anything. I want to share. I'm going to share this at the same time. So I have been obsessed, and I mean obsessed, with this cute little box with all the little spaces for my diamond painting. And because they're all in little containers like that, I know it looks like Tic Tacs, but honestly, like, who eats that many Tic Tacs? First of all, I don't have them. Second of all, like, to fit them in a nice little box, honestly, don't have time for that. And they've got really good prices, and by organizing, like, it just makes me feel so good looking at them. I just think they're so pretty, and I've put the little diamond painting on top. I still have my other diamond painting projects that are all mixed up. Haven't put those together. Don't know when I will or if I will. But meanwhile, I am almost out of the little containers, as you can see here. Like, I'm almost out. I don't have many left. So, and there's always different gems in the diamond paintings. Therefore, I wanted another one. And that's what I asked for. And look at this. It's so cute. I love these so much. I cannot begin to tell you how much I love these. I did the shaker card with the little diamond painting. It's a little bit, is it the same? Yeah, I think it's the same design. Anyway, all the products that I'm showing to you guys are in the description box below. There's a link to them as well as a discount code. So don't forget to use the discount code and have fun shopping. It's kind of addictive when you start doing diamond painting, honestly. Like, yeah. And I would suggest, if you're gonna, like, once you've done one or two projects, if you like doing them, I would suggest that you get one of those little boxes, just because it's gonna make your life so much easier if you put them at the same time as you're doing the projects. Because some are repeat. Like, for example, you can see that I've got 2 bins of the clear, because I filled one up completely. And I've used this in my shaker cards, which made it really, really fun, as well as some of the other colors, some pinks, and yeah, so it's really, really fun. And I've got another project in my head for leftover diamond painting. I have to test it out, but I think it might be really, really fun, and it wouldn't be so difficult either. So I will be sharing that later with you guys when I actually have a chance. Talking a mile a minute will get me to cough. Anyway, so that's one of the things that they sent me. Then I saw this, and obviously, you know me and dragonflies. So I just had to get them. They're little keychains, and how cute are these? I thought they would be perfect for attaching to a journal, or even as a keychain. But I'm thinking more like attaching to a journal, or even like hanging as a decoration in my studio might be a fun thing. So there's that. So looking forward to putting these together. Oh, actually no, they are decorations. You don't, well, I guess it depends on what you want to do, because they come with these gems here that you attach at the bottom of the tail. So if you don't put so many, like you just put a few, it wouldn't be so bad putting it as a keychain. But if you're gonna do like the big one, which like this one, I feel like it's so big, like it's almost the size of my first knuckle of my thumb. It might be a bit big for using as a keychain, but yeah. So these are going to be super fun to make. And then I love doing owls, and it's my dad's birthday that's coming up, and they had this set of 3 diamond painting bookmarks with owls. How cool are those? I might actually keep the purple one. It's so pretty. And I'll probably give him this one, which feels more masculine to me. But I love doing these projects because they're not long, and it's just enough to actually be doing something. So these for sure, you'll see me make one of them. I don't think you'll see me make all 3. But I'll probably share one of the making, as well as the dragonfly, because I find that that's a nice little project that I can do and I can speed forward. So, and I don't have to talk. But I can make something, which is exciting to me because I missed it so much. So anyway, go and check out Onedaysaving. You won't regret it. They've got really amazing product. They're super fast in shipping, and very organized, and I love their stuff so much. That's why I keep going back to them whenever they say that they want a collaboration. I'm always, yes, I'm ready, I want, because I actually do the projects. I'm not so much like the big frame, because I feel like there's only so much that I can hang on my wall. But the small ones, I feel like they're a great gift, and it's also they're you know, fun, and I can use them, like the little bookmarks I put in books and stuff. So yeah, so that's it. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the well wishes, and I really hope that you're all doing well, are safe, and that everything is going well in your life. Love you. Bye.